Hello, namaste, and welcome back to our channel. So, in 10 series video, we will see the types of tense, which are present tense, past tense. In previous videos, we have discussed present tense and past tense. So, today's topic is future tense. So, future tense topic. So, this will be the last video on tense, and all concept of future tense will be cleared in this video only. So, on tense. So, happy New Year to all of you. You know, and I also know. Year is 2021 has came. Welcome 2021 and welcome back to our channel for improving your English. So subscribe our channel for the latest videos. From 1st January 2021, you will get these things on our channel: news, latest updates and information, English improving lecture videos with full presentation and blog post on this day, every day history and events. Increase your knowledge with us. So there will be a video section upload on our channel which will be describing all the concept and all the history events of on this day. So you will get book reviews, study related videos. Comment what do you want from our channel and let us know on which topic we can make the videos. Let's the future tense. Future tense is a verb to show that an action will take place in future. It is known as the future tense. Future predictions. The future tense is a verb or tense used for a future activity or a future state of being. For example, I will jump in the lake. This is a future activity. Example, I will be happy. The future tense is a verb tense used for a future activity or a future state of being. I think you have cleared the doubt on future tense. I think you all understood future tense, that something happen in future. Predictions like future tense is used for future activity, state of being. For example, I will jump in the lake. What's the kind of future tense? So types of future tense we discussed that the first is future indefinite and the second is future continuous tense, third future perfect tense, the fourth future perfect continuous tense. We will discuss one by one all types of future tense. Let's see the future tense types, and the first tense is future indefinite. So let's see future simple or future indefinite. First type of future tense is future simple or future indefinite. So what is the meaning and what will be in the future simple or future indefinite, you will get to know via this video. So watch this video till end to understand all the concepts of future tense. The simple future tense is used for an action that will occur in the future. When a tense is used to show that action will take place in future, it is known as simple future tense. आइए हिंदी में समझते हैं. इस टेंस के हिंदी वाक्यों को पढ़कर पता चलता है कि कार्य भविष्य में होगा. बिकॉज वी आर स्टडिंग फ्यूचर टेंस, सो कार्य भविष्य में होगा. इस टेंस के हिंदी वाक्यों के अंत में गा, गे, गी आदि शब्द आते हैं. स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें, सिंपल टेंस का स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल shall plus verb first form plus object, and will and shall use is that will is used with third and second person, which is he, she and it, you and they. Shall is used with I and we grammatically, but we usually use will with every subject or person. This is the simple tense structure. Let's see the negative, interrogative and interrogative negative tense structure of future simple. So negative type structure will be subject plus will, shall plus not, which is important in this negative type structure, with plus verb first form plus object. In interrogative, WH word, then helping verb will, shall, then subject. So you got the future indefinite. So let's see the example for future indefinite tense. So I shall eat pizza. We shall do more for our future. He will make an aeroplane. She will fall in love with a prince. It will make a sense. You will consider his request someday. They will not make up for the destruction. Will cars operate on electricity in future? So these were the English future indefinite example. Let's say Hindi type of future indefinite example. अब मैं घर जाऊंगा. आज वह स्कूल नहीं जाएगी. क्या पुलिस चोर का पीछा करेगी? So it will be the future indefinite example. Let's see second type of future tense, which is future continuous tense. And what is future continuous tense? Meaning and structure. When a tense is used to show that some action will be in progress in future, that kind of tense is future continuous tense. इस tense के हिंदी वाक्यों के अंत में रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे, रहा होगा आदि शब्द आते हैं। इस टेंस के वाक्यों से पता चलता है कि भविष्य में कोई कार्य जारी रहेगा और पूरा नहीं होगा। मीन्स फ्यूचर continuous tense. Let's see structures for making future continuous tense sentences. The first is future continuous simple, which is subject plus will, shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. That will be the future continuous simple structure. So in negative you need to add not only, then subject plus will, shall plus be plus not plus verb first form ing plus object. So this is the future continuous tense negative type. The third is interrogative type sentences of future continuous tense. WH word plus will, shall plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Interrogative negative type sentences is WH plus will, shall plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. That will be the future continuous tense structure. Let's examples for future continuous tense. So you will see the example for future continuous tense is I will be playing tennis at 10 a.m. You are seeing that structure. According to structure, these sentences are formed, and that are the examples. They want to be watching TV at 9 p.m. tonight. हिंदी में देखें, वह स्कूल जा रहा होगा, मैदान में स्कूल के लड़के क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे. We will be having dinner when the film starts. So these are the examples for using future continuous tense, and for forming sentences of future continuous tense you need to take care of structure, which I have explained in this video. So watch this video till end. So third type of future tense is future perfect tense. So let's see what is future perfect tense and what are its structure. Meaning is that the future perfect is a verb form or construction used to describe an event that is expected or planned to happen before a time of reference in the future, such as will have finished in the English sentence, I will have finished by tomorrow. When a tense is used to show that some action will be finished in future, it is known as future perfect tense. So let's see the structures for making a future perfect tense. You need to add subject plus will plus have plus past participle, which is verb third form. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus past participle. In interrogative you need to add helping verb earlier, will, shall plus subject plus have plus past participle verb third form plus object. So example like he will have done it by this evening. So example for future perfect tense is that easy. I will have finished this book. You need to add subject, will, shall plus have plus verb third form plus object. She have cooked dinner. He will have arrived. वह अपना गृह कार्य कर चुका होगा. So these were the example and types of future tense. Will he learn English? Will he have learnt English? क्या उसके आने से पहले तुम यहाँ से जा चुकोगे? क्या हम 5 बजे तक दिल्ली पहुँच चुकेंगे? In Hindi you are seeing that चुकोगे, चुकूंगी are the kind of future perfect tense. Like you need to form sentence, you need to add subject, then will, shall plus have, which is the helping verb of any perfect tense. So in future perfect the types of or example will be like this only. So let's see the fourth type of future tense, which is future perfect continuous tense. So the meaning and structure for future perfect continuous tense will be the future perfect continuous tense, also sometimes called the future perfect progressive, is a verb tense that describes action that will continue up until a point in the future. When a tense is used to show that some action will have been in progress in future, means something will happen in the progress in future, you need to make sentences in future perfect continuous tense. हिंदी में समझ लेंगे और लाइक इसके स्ट्रक्चर वगैरह देख लेंगे तो हम एक फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस का सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं इजीली. So let's see structure of future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus will plus have been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for plus time. So in simple, you see there will be subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. That will be the structure for future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous negative. This you need to take care of not only, then there will be the same structure like subject plus will shall plus have plus not plus been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. So let's see future perfect continuous interrogative. WH word will shall plus subject plus have plus been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. These are the structure for making future perfect continuous tense. Let's example for future perfect continuous tense. We will get to understand the future perfect continuous tense, which is 4 type. Via this example, like in November I will be having been working at my company for 3 years. Like it will happen in future. At 5 o'clock I will have been waiting for 30 minutes. On Thursday I will have been knowing you for a week. Will it have been raining heavily? These are the examples. हिंदी में समझते हैं फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस के एग्जांपल्स को. क्या लोग सुबह से पार्क में टहल रहे होंगे? क्या विनोद 1 घंटे से नदी के किनारे नहा रहा होगा? क्या बादल 2 घंटे से पानी बरसा रहे होंगे? So via this example you will see that we need to add subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. So these will be the kind of future perfect continuous tense. So yes, this is the end of 10 series videos on our YouTube channel, and that will be the complete summary for tense. So I hope you all understood the concept of tense to form any kind of sentences in English. The main thing is that you need to focus on work and timing of work or event anything happens. Thank you so much for watching video. And this is the structure, like first was present tense, then past tense, then future tense. Types of tense, there are 3 on. In this you find simple, negative, interrogative, interrogative, negative. Thank you so much for watching this video. So this was the types of tense.